Hello guys, this is our fourth chapter of the town planning. So last video I create the parcels as I shown in some areas, other areas I completed it. Now first we have to create the labels, because here you see the property and square meters area and acres. So just we remove the acre from here, and this label we have to edit. So how to be edit? Let's go start now. Just I'm going to change the views in top view now. Okay, and this is I have to delete. Oh, sorry. Yes. I have to delete this one. Okay. Then we start here. We choose any one labels. Okay. This label, just click the property. Okay. Just come to here in the properties, and you can see the option here, create and edit. Just click here. Okay. Then this here also this down arrow, click and create new, copy current selection and create child current selection or edit the selection. We are creating new one. So how to create? Just give to name here your style. I'm giving plot number and area. Bus two things. After that you can write here description if you want some things, otherwise no need. Then I have to move here layout part. Here you see preview already adjusted showing here, and just we have to go click here text contents, just click once, then the three dot will be appear, and just click on that three dot like that. Then click here and control A, select all and delete it here. Okay. Then click here. First we want our parcel numbers, and just click this arrow, then it will be appear here, and click before this text and write plot. Okay. And number and give to a dash between those. Okay, it's clear now. Second one, go to an area, parcel area. Okay, and just click once here. Okay, and once we have to delete again, and our starting point is here, so just enter once here. Okay, then you click this arrow. Okay, and here you write this is the area, square meter, so you can write square meter as QM. Okay, then just click once here. Okay, and check the preview how to will look the labels. Just click apply and OK. Yes, then OK here. Okay, now it's changed. Okay, so like this we can edit our labels. If you want to write here M square, then how to write in the AutoCAD M square? Just M text here, just make a dialog here. Okay, then write here M and 2 you can write here. Then just click once here or change here symbol, come here squared, just click once here. Okay, it has gone up now, and Just click like that and make it copy, close. Yes, outside that, click once here. Okay. Yes. Now again click on this and click here, property, and same place you go to create and edit. Now we are going to edit this current selection because we edit in this style. Okay. Then just you click once here. Okay. And here we write the SQM. Just click once here, select it here, and Control V. Bas. Now just click once OK, apply, OK, and OK. See, now it has been changed, and this one you can delete now. Like this we can write. So once, how do we change the all labels? We will match the property, match property. Just click once here and like this select your all part. Yes. Now you can see our all labels are changed the once. Okay. See, and already I have one separate video edit and create the labels for parcels. You can go in my channel or you can check there. Okay. See, now all labels has been changed. Okay. And you see in this area we make a garden on road, so all the peoples can come to here, and also one garden here, they can come to here. And this center part here, there some community offices or other means government offices or village to villages, the towns related, the towns council office, something they can build it in this area. That's why I left it here. Okay. So I think you understood the labels, how do we create the parcels, how do we create the roads. Now, this is our contours also are here. So I show you the contours. See here. This is should be we have to update because this warning mark is here. So just click once here in plus marking, then the contour styles name. Just okay, surface. This is the surface property. Go to rebuild automatic here. Just click yes. Now warning has gone and we can open it. Just go surface property, come to here and display 1 meter and 5 meter designs and apply and okay. Yes. Completed. Our contours are here, you can see, and our properties are here. So as per this surface, we can assign the levels when we create our properties. So how to we use here? We can know if we want to know what is the level of these plots. So we can say this plot in this area level is there 2380, and here is the 2379, and here is the 2077, and at this boundary this level is there like this. So we can assign this all levels to our roads. We can prepare the road alignments and other. If you want to calculate cutting and filling area in our plot area, and what is the level we have to decide our plots, means if we build some things there, house or maybe shop like that, so you can decide the levels here. inside some places I create the parcels in this area, because this is the soap outside the road can make the soaps, or here also this outside the soap, here also outside this the on the road the soap we can, that's why not here in the center the road you can see. Okay, and this area I left it there for future purpose. What they want the area communities they can build, or they can create the here business centers, some things. That's why I've left it the area. This area is the whole area is the remaining still between the road and the floating areas. Okay, so as you want you can use it. So I think you understood now well how to create. In the next video you have to see the how to create the road cross sections. So we'll see in the 3D. So how do we create the road alignment? I will create the all the roads assembly and assign these alignments. Okay, so thanks for watching.